Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Wow, it's been such a long time since I've actually sat down and filmed with you guys. I worked on my background just a little bit because I was excited to bring you guys this video. So today, I don't even know what to say. It's been so long. So in today's video we are going to learn how to do brow lamination. I've never done this on myself. I was watching a few videos on it and it is like the newest thing. You can go to like LA or different places where they do microblading and they are doing brow lamination on people. So I found a easy DIY kit where you can do it on yourself at home. I am in no way certified to do this. I don't even know what the hell I'm doing, but I thought it would be cool to like film it and share it with you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and set myself up and we're gonna do the best that we can. So I have been absent from YouTube for a long time. The last time I filmed was like during Christmas time, and that is simply just because I haven't had really the time to film, and then on top of that, I just don't like the software that I have for editing my videos. So I have a Windows PC, and for Windows I have to use Adobe. And I don't like it. I don't understand it. I'm using Adobe Premiere Rush, I think, or Premiere Pro Rush, something like that. And I just don't like that it's not like easy accessible, it's not easy to learn. So I am trying to figure out what to do with that because I want to be able to edit my videos and feel comfortable editing them and adding transitions and adding music and being confident in my work that I'm producing. And right now I am just not confident in it, but we will figure that out. That is besides the point for today's video. If you are new here, please give this video a thumbs up. My name is Vanessa and I love to film just everything and anything that I can. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe down below and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I post videos because it is rare, so it'd be nice if you're notified. And let's go ahead and just get started in today's video. So first I want to ask you guys, how do you guys feel about this? I got my little fireplace running on my computer. I have my plants set up. My neon lights are lit up. I'm loving the way that it looks. Like, it's just very aesthetically pleasing. Today's video we're going to do 2-in-1. I want to do the brow lamination, which is this lash lift kit. It is the same process that you would use as if you were lifting your lashes. And then I would also like to try and tint my brows. So I've been seeing a lot of videos going around online. Everyone's like laminating their brows, and it's just basically the effect of fluffier brows. So it's supposed to give you the effect that your brows are naturally standing up. So like if your brows were like this, just like naturally standing up like that, that's the effect that it's supposed to give you. And if you have like thicker coarse brows, it's like super beautiful because it's like just that fluffy, feathery look. I naturally have like very cockeyed brows where my brows are like just downwards, they curl up, they're just everywhere. They are not like thick, they are very thin, and the color itself, they are not that deep in color. So I'm excited to try this out, and then we will see about tinting them as well. So the first thing that you have to do is make sure that your brows are clean. So I just washed my face. I only applied my moisturizer just like in this lower part here and then just a little bit here because I did not want to mess with any of this. So again, this is the Icon Side Lash Lift Kit from Amazon. I will link this down below if I can. And this is what the inside looks like. So you get, basically you get the perm solution, the fixation nutrition cleanser, and then the lash glue. And then you get cleanse tools, lift pads, and a lash lift tool. And so we're going to just go through some of the instructions. This also came with it, which these are Care iPads. I don't know. Oh, also what you're going to need too is plastic wrap. So I stopped at the store and bought this right now on my way home from the gym. So I'm going to just like tear out 2 pieces because I believe that's all I'm going to need is just 2 pieces. So I believe the first thing that you do is you apply the lash glue, but I'm going to open up these other items as well, like the lash lift tool. I don't know what this is, so let's see. Oh cool, these are like little spoolies. Oh no, it's not. What is this? This is like a little Q-tip. Looks like that. So I'm assuming when you do your lash lift, you just use these to lift them up. So I won't be using those because I already brought in here like a bunch of Q-tips that I thought that I would be needing. Clean tool, let's see what this is. So this is the tool that's going to help you scrape them upward, I guess. But it's just, I'm kind of confused because it doesn't tell you the process. Oh, it's back here on the backhand side. So it says first off, you're going to use the cleaner to clean off the oil, dust, and makeup residue, which is number 4. Since I already cleaned my face, I'm not going to use this stuff. Next, you're going to apply the eye pads under the eyelids to protect the skin. Okay, so that is if you are doing your eyelashes. So we're going to skip that. Put the lift pads on the eyelash, then apply the glue on the eyelash to keep it stick onto the pad. So we're going to apply the eyelash glue first. Use the glue setting the eyelash on the lift pads for about a minute, and then you're going to use perm number 1 on the eyelashes and then cover the film for about 8 to 12 minutes. Okay. And then we're going to use the blue one, fixing agent, on the eyelashes and then cover for about 8 to 12 minutes. Then you're going to clean the eyelash lift pads and use the nutrition lotion to nourish the eyelash. Use the cleaning white transparent color to clean off the perm residue. Okay, so we're going to start with the eyelash one first. And we are just going to lift our lashes in an upward manner. So I'm going to come just a little bit closer because I don't know how much more closer I can go. But so we're just going to start, oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Upward manner. Oh wait, should I take a before and after? Yes, let's take a before and after. I'm so scatterbrained because I'm so nervous. Okay. So we're just going to start lifting them upward with the lash glue. And I feel like you got to work fast because I can already feel this drying. Oh my gosh, this does not come out that well. And then after this, I'm going to go in and like brush them with this spoolie because I want them to be neat. I don't want them to look messy. I'm just going to brush them upwards. It's already drying, so like I said, you have to work quickly. First, I'm going to brush them out and then go in with the eyelash glue. I guess the purpose of the eyelash glue is just to help them stay up while you're doing the perm. That's like what forms the shape of them, I'm assuming. I'm not too sure. But like I said, I'm not a professional, so please don't come for me in the comments. This is just a fun little DIY project that you can do at home on yourself. If this works out for me, I hope it works out for you. But if this does end up working out, oh my gosh. I'm going to be so excited because normally I put like a crap ton of like eyebrow gel, and then I used to use like brow soap just to like make my brows stand up like this because I like this fluffy look, just because I don't have that great of brows to begin with. So as you can see, like I haven't had my brows done in a really long time, which is why they're like, ugh. They look like, I don't know what they look like. They look rough though, that's all I know. Okay, so this is already drying, so I need to, okay. There's that. So now we're going to go in with perm lotion, and I'm just going to take a Q-tip and dip it inside there like that, and we're going to cover for about 8 to 12. What? My Q-tip doesn't fit. With the perm solution and lift them up. I'm just going to add like a crap ton of this on there because I really want this to work out. next eye. Okay, so now I'm going to take, ooh, my eyebrows are getting itchy. I'm going to take the plastic wrap and cover them for 8 to 12 minutes. And then after that, we're going to come back. Oh my god. Okay, wait. I'm going to put these on here. What time is it? So the time currently is 2:18. And we will be back at, what does it say, 8 to 12? We'll be back at 2:30. It is currently 2:30. It has been 12 minutes. So we are going to take this off. Whew. And next we are going to use the solution, the fixing agent solution, which is this blue one. And it doesn't say anything about like cleaning them up and then doing it. So we're just going to go straight in with this. And I'm going to use another one of these little tools. And we're going to apply that on. And then we're going to cover again for about 8 to 12 minutes. We'll do another 12 minutes just to keep it even. Oh my gosh, my hair is everywhere. Again, this is the fixing agent. We're going to go in with this. I don't know if I'm going to trim my brows after this. I might, just to make it look a lot cleaner. But we'll probably do that too. Because I don't want the reason that it didn't work was because I didn't use enough product. So we're going to use a lot of product. Then we're going to go in and cover them for another 12 minutes. So the time currently is 2:33. So at 2:45, we will be back to check on these brows. We're just going to take this off, and then it says to next use the nutrition on your brows. It looks so funny like seeing this like imprint of your brows on here. But you can't see it. Anyways, so by the looks of it, it's looking really good. Hold on. Excuse me. I gotta get my mirror. Thank you. So by the looks of it, it's looking really good. I'm going to go ahead and use the nutrition. And then it says to use the cleanser. Wow, they look so freaking pumped up. So we're going to go in with the nutrition with a Q-tip. And then the last thing that it calls for you to do is to clean it with the last one, the cleanser. So I'm going to do that now. And I brought in some like cotton rounds just to... Ooh. I brought some cotton rounds in so I can just, I'm going to just dump it on there and wipe this off. Wow. Oh no, my lashes, my eyebrows are falling out. There's like 3 hairs on here, but that's fine. Okay. So now that they are all cleaned, this is what they look like. I feel... There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and just go in with the spoolie and brush them and see what happens. They're definitely laminated, if you can see. There's no more product in my brows. I can feel it's like all like just smooth. And I'm going in with a different spoolie because the other one had product on it, so I didn't want to leave any leftovers on my brow hairs. This is what my brows look like right now. I'm going to go ahead and use some regular scissors to clean them up because I don't have brow scissors, so I don't recommend this one bit. But if you do have to do this, just be very cautious when doing it, like super careful. So I'm going to just go ahead and I really shouldn't be doing this, but coming off. What? They don't look bad. I'm not going to cut them because I don't want to mess them up any. If anything, I can just brush these down. You guys, and that is the final look of brow lamination. I think that this easy DIY kit from Amazon really worked. I'm excited to see what my brows look like when I do my makeup, and just to see like how long it lasts, and I'm excited to just like keep testing it out over the next few months. So if you do want to purchase the same brow kit that I did buy from Amazon, I will try and leave it linked down below. And other than that, I don't have anything else for you guys. I wanted to do my brow tint here on camera, but I'll save that for another video. So comment down below if you want to see this in a next video. I will do that for you guys. But yeah, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and let me know what you think about this brow lamination technique. I think that it's so cool that we are able to do these things and like perm our hairs, lift our lashes, like all different kinds of things that we weren't able to do back in the day. Like, science and technology is just evolving as we get older, and it's so crazy. I like it. If it makes my makeup routine a little bit more simple, then why not? I know one person that will really love this look is Kathleen Lights, because she's obsessed with like feathery brows like this. So yeah. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I felt so good just sitting here and filming and walking you guys through this technique, even though I've never done it myself. But yeah, ta-ta for now. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.